Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today, I'll be showing you how to handcuff a goredoll. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, this guy is shooting at me. Now let's handcuff him. First put him on the ground, head down. Freeze. Now take both of his arms and freeze them like this. Then link both of the arms and connect a rope to the arms. Then unfreeze his whole body. As you can see, he's handcuffed and cannot move. If you want a goredoll to be handcuffed and moving, or standing at the same time, then do this. If you want him to move, then just simply link his arms, and don't connect to a rope. He's handcuffed but still standing.
I surrender, okay? Whoa, hold on.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.